It's time for an unboxing. I'm so excited. I already know what's in here, but it's just fun to open it in front of you guys and just to get excited together about curriculum. So let's open up. Hey guys, I'm Ashley if we haven't met yet, and I'm here at Joyful Noise Learning, and I'm so glad you're here today. I don't often do curriculum hauls. I don't know why, but I'm gonna do one today. So we're gonna do an unboxing, and I know you all like it, and it's really not that big, but there was a few things I needed to get for this coming year that I wanted to snag at the sale a few weeks ago. So let's see what's in this box. Can you see the box? I don't know if you can see it. I'll just pull it out one at a time. So this one has already been pulled out. So my son saw this, my 5-year-old, and he was done with his Good and the Beautiful level and was like, I'm gonna do my Explode the Code, Mommy. And I said, okay. So it's technically for next year, but he already has been doing it. And this kid, I wanna do my Explode the Code every day this week. And I wasn't gonna make him do school, but he's been doing 5 pages at a time, but he loves it. So I love that it's individual. It's independent work. He can do it on his own. It's helping him practice the phonics and reading, and he's doing really well. It's been really fun to watch him sit and learn to read and learn more through this book. So that's what we're doing for next year. All right, ooh, we'll do that one last. That one came separately, didn't it? Ooh, oh, I forgot about these. Oh, that's so exciting. Okay, next we have, the other Explode the Code. Level 4, my 2nd grader is doing level 3 right now. And when he finishes that, then we will move into the level 4 book. So he's ready, that's ready to go for him. And that's all we do for Explode the Code. I found this. This is what we'll probably do for Bible next year. God, What's Your Name by Kay Arthur. She does inductive studies for kids, and I've heard a lot about these and I've been wanting to do them. So I think my kids are ready for it, at least my oldest is. We'll see, I'll just have the boys tag along probably, and we'll do it all together, but, or we'll see if she likes it, I might hand it to her and have her do it on her own, but this is a really neat Bible study that I'm excited about, so. And you're getting a sneak peek at what I wanna do next year, but Beautiful Feet books, and I decided to go with A History of Science, and I'm really excited about this one. So it says it's for intermediate grades, so my daughter will be 5th, 6th grade level. Ooh, I haven't looked inside here yet. Oh, this is so exciting. It's even in color. It goes through like historically, like history of science, I guess, but we'll go through ancient scientists, and then we'll go through the medieval and Renaissance scientists, and then we go through the modern scientists. So this is just the teacher's guide, and then they give you a book list for the books that you're supposed to read. This just tells you like what to read when, and congratulations, you've completed the History of Science study. Ooh, we hope you've enjoyed it. Okay, we haven't completed it yet. And then it has a few activities to go along what you read. That's basically all it is, and that's what I love. That's how I love to do science and history, is read good stuff and then do a few activities that go along with it, and that's it. There's a little bit of writing involved as well, but this is gonna be one of our main curriculums for next year. And this looks like fun. Ooh, it's a timeline. Can I just get it out now? Can I just open it in front of you guys? Oh, it's just a blank card. I don't know if we'll keep it folded like this in a notebook or put it up on the wall. I don't know yet, we'll see. But there's that, and then there's sheets come with it that you cut out and you add to your timeline as you go. So that's pretty cool. Ooh, this is so cool. All right, last but not least, I had to open it from the main box. I got a Book of Centuries from Cottage Press. I've had my eye on this for a couple years now, and I finally was able to just take the plunge and get it. So, oh man, Corbin, stop please. For the Book of Centuries, this is something I've had my eye on doing for a few years now, but I didn't think my kids were quite ready. But I think my oldest might be ready now as she's moving into 5th and 6th grade. It's a really neat notebook that has all the way from the beginning of time, like right creation in here, So from the beginning of time all the way to 2030 is what it looks like. So it has a spot for a place for drawings or cutouts, picture cutouts, and then you have a spot for writing. And then it starts out with centuries, and then once it gets to the 1800s, I noticed, it goes by every 20 years, maybe even 1700. 1700 is 50 years. And then the 1800s, it turns into 20 years. And then 1900s, it turns to every decade, so until 2030. So we're gonna fill it in each time we do something with history or we learn about a new scientist and what was going on in the world at that time. So this is gonna be really fun. So guys, that was it. That was my, what do you call it? My unboxing for today, and I'm glad you watched. Be on the lookout for my curriculum reveals for what we're going to be picking for next year. I'm really excited, and I know that this is the time of year you're looking for new stuff. So I'm glad you follow me. I hope you guys have a great day. I will see you next time. I've had my eye on this for a couple years now. So this is gonna be for my old, stop, fill it out, you know, all throughout school.